In a world where gastronomy and entertainment intersect, the rise of celebrity chefs has created a niche where culinary skills are not only celebrated but also lucratively rewarded. These chefs have gone beyond the kitchen, leveraging their culinary prowess into books, TV shows, restaurants, and brand endorsements, amassing fortunes that many can only dream of. Here, we delve into the elite ranks of the highest-paid chefs whose talents have turned into gold mines. Number 13. Rick Bayless. Known for his expertise in traditional Mexican cuisine, Rick Bayless has built an empire with his front row restaurants and his long-running PBS series, Mexico, one plate at a time. Bayless's dedication to authentic flavors and culinary education has earned him an estimated net worth of $30 million. Number 12. Nobu Matsuhisa. Nobu Matsuhisa's name is synonymous with high-end Japanese cuisine. His innovative fusion of traditional Japanese dishes with Peruvian ingredients has made his Nobu restaurant chain a global sensation. His partnership with actor Robert De Niro has further catapulted his brand, contributing to his impressive net worth of approximately $40 million. Number 11. David Chang. David Chang is a culinary innovator and the founder of the Momofuku Restaurant Group. Chang's influence extends through his Netflix series Ugly Delicious and the culinary magazine Lucky Peach. His entrepreneurial ventures and media presence have earned him a net worth of around $50 million. Number 10. Emeril Lagasse. Emeril Lagasse, with his catchphrase "BAM" and charismatic personality, became a household name through his Food Network shows. Beyond television, Lagasse owns several successful restaurants and has a line of kitchen products. His diverse revenue streams have culminated in a net worth of $70 million. Number 9. Ina Garten. Ina Garten, also known as the Barefoot Contessa, transitioned from working in the White House to owning a gourmet food store and becoming a beloved Food Network personality. Her approachable yet sophisticated cooking style has endeared her to millions of fans who appreciate her emphasis on quality ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes. Garten's numerous best-selling cookbooks, filled with elegant but simple dishes, and her long-running popular cooking show have significantly contributed to her $75 million net worth. Additionally, her influence extends through her product lines and guest appearances on other cooking shows and talk shows. Garten's blend of charm, culinary skill, and business savvy has made her an enduring and influential figure in the culinary world. Number 8. Bobby Flay. Bobby Flay is a culinary legend renowned for his expertise in Southwestern and American cuisine. He has built an impressive empire with multiple successful restaurants, including Mesa Grill and Bar Americain, and his burger chain, Bobby's Burger Palace. Flay's influence extends beyond his establishments through his numerous best-selling cookbooks, which offer a glimpse into his culinary techniques and flavor profiles. A prominent television presence on the Food Network, Flay has starred in and hosted popular shows like Iron Chef America, Beat Bobby Flay, and Throwdown with Bobby Flay. These ventures have not only showcased his culinary skills, but also made him a household name, amassing him a net worth of approximately $60 million. Flay's dynamic career and enduring popularity continue to shape the culinary world. Number 7. Guy Fieri. Guy Fieri's spiky hair and enthusiastic personality have made him a standout on the Food Network, particularly with his hit show Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives, which has brought national attention to small, local eateries across America. Fieri's expansive culinary empire includes several successful restaurant chains such as Guy's American Kitchen and Bar, Guy Fieri's Vegas Kitchen and Bar, and Chicken Guy. His numerous cookbooks, filled with bold and flavorful recipes, and his various endorsements, including a line of sauces and barbecue tools, have secured him a net worth of about $70 million. Fieri's unique style and genuine passion for food have made him a beloved figure in the culinary world. Number 6. Wolfgang Puck. Wolfgang Puck's culinary empire spans fine dining, catering, and retail products. His flagship restaurant, Spago, revolutionized California cuisine. Puck's various business ventures and media engagements have built him a net worth of around $90 million. Number 5. Thomas Keller. Thomas Keller is the genius behind the French Laundry and Per Se, two of the most acclaimed restaurants in the world. Keller's meticulous approach to French cuisine, emphasizing precision, quality, and innovation, has garnered numerous accolades, including multiple Michelin stars and James Beard Foundation awards. His influence extends through his cookbooks, such as the French Laundry Cookbook and Bouchon Bakery, which provide insight into his culinary techniques and philosophy. Keller also oversees a diverse portfolio of establishments, including the Bouchon Bistro and Ad Hoc, and has developed a line of gourmet food products. His commitment to excellence at all levels of dining has earned him a net worth of approximately $130 million, cementing his legacy as a culinary maestro. Number 4. Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay is arguably the most famous chef on the planet, known for his fiery temperament on shows like Hell's Kitchen and MasterChef. Beyond television, Ramsay owns a global network of acclaimed restaurants and has authored numerous cookbooks. His dynamic career has led to a net worth of about $220 million. Number 3. Rachael Ray's approachable cooking style and vibrant personality have made her a household name, particularly through her hit show 30-Minute Meals, which resonated with busy home cooks seeking quick and delicious recipes. Beyond television, Ray has established a successful magazine, Every Day with Rachael Ray, and launched a range of cookware and pet foods that reflect her practical and down-to-earth approach to everyday living. Her engaging presence extends to her daily talk show, which combines cooking segments with celebrity interviews and lifestyle tips. This multifaceted brand has diversified her income streams and contributed to her impressive net worth of $100 million. Ray's ability to connect with audiences and provide practical culinary solutions has made her an enduring figure in the culinary world. Number 2. Jamie Oliver. Jamie Oliver's passion for fresh, healthy food has driven his global success. Known for his television shows and campaigns to improve school meals, Oliver also owns multiple restaurant chains and has published numerous best-selling cookbooks. His efforts have earned him a net worth of approximately $300 million. Number 1. Alan Wong. Alan Wong, one of the pioneers of Hawaii regional cuisine, tops the list as the highest-paid chef with an estimated net worth of $1.1 billion. His culinary philosophy emphasizes fresh, local ingredients, and his restaurants are renowned for their innovation and quality. Wong's influence extends through his numerous ventures and partnerships, making him a true titan in the culinary world. The culinary world has seen an unprecedented rise in the stature and earnings of chefs driven by their ability to innovate, entertain, and inspire. From traditionalists like Alan Wong to media powerhouses like Gordon Ramsay and Jamie Oliver, these chefs have proven that culinary excellence combined with business acumen can lead to extraordinary financial success. Their journeys reflect a blend of passion, talent, and strategic thinking, setting benchmarks for aspiring chefs worldwide. As they continue to shape the culinary landscape, their influence reaches far beyond the kitchen, inspiring millions to explore the art of cooking and transforming the way the world experiences food. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell. See you in the next video.